Over on the right side on every project wall, you're going to see your teams block here. And this is where you're going to have your team and or the client team or any other team that you would want to have here on the project. Any of the contacts here are going to have access to this project wall and are going to be able to post and reply and communicate and collaborate on this project. Your team, the paid users here, are going to have a different set of capabilities, and they're going to be able to see much more, that's related to your particular business, whereas the free collaborators and the client side of things, they're only going to be able to post and reply and approve and do some basic things like that. They're not going to be able to see time entry and all of that kind of stuff, obviously. Those are all for internally for you. But you can manage these teams at the beginning of a project when you set it up, or at any point throughout the project by simply clicking in here and editing a particular team, where you can add a particular member. Maybe I wanted to add somebody else here to this team and update it that way, or let's say changed our mind, we don't want this person added to the team, we can delete a team member that way. Okay. Now, the contacts that are going to be able to be added to your team, who are the paid users, are only going to be people in your organization who are paid users. However, on the free collaborator side of things, any of these additional teams, whether it's this one or other teams that you create here, you can manage and add people from this particular organization very easily, the same way as we did before. Or you can add anybody from any organization. If I just typed in somebody from any different organization like this, I can add them to the team here as well. But that's how you can add literally anybody. They don't have to be necessarily from the same organization. And you can actually specify a team lead here by checking the box there as well. Now, one of the nice things too is, let's say this is a brand new person that you want to add to one of the teams. You can click on this icon right here and add them to the existing organization, or if they're in a brand new organization that doesn't exist in Trackfront, you can click on New Organization, and this will automatically add a new organization and a new contact that's associated with this organization, and you would hit Add, and then they would be added to this team as well as added to your contacts and organizations database in Trackfront.